It's $1 million event here. I don't know.
Welcome back. It is now time for the grand finale, the one thing that all of you have been waiting for, the National Efficiency Awards 2021.
Raise hand आएगा तो.
These awards have been instituted to recognize and applaud the efforts made by plants for their outstanding achievements and implementing new and innovative energy efficiency measures. The awards can catalyze significant and innovative practices in the energy efficiency sector for facilitating an energy efficient and sustainable growth of the Indian industry. The National Efficiency Awards 2021 have been designed with the view to accord recognition to utilities based on their all-round performance by integrating the operational parameters like integrating the peak plant load factor, the secondary oil consumption, the auxiliary power consumption, and the station heat rate. The design station heat rate would be considered for the evaluation here. Now, the award this year is intended to foster the competitive spirit amongst various power stations so as to encourage them to improve the performance in all spheres of their working. The award would also help in involving benchmarks for various performance indices. So I'd like to invite Mr. Ashwin Kumar Khatri, Director General Mission Energy Foundation, to say a few words, talk about the awards and give the awards away.
Thanks, Anisha, for giving this opportunity once again to be with the audience. I am been delighted to be with you once again from yesterday when we were I introduced the conference, and I'm sure everyone here would have got the great knowledge with the speakers who have shared their experiences and their own forte in the net heat rate area. I probably see over 60-70 participants who are in and out participating, with a total list of about 91-92 participants across. Now, I also thanks Anisha for giving this opportunity to me to announce the awards, which are for the National Efficiency Awards 2021. Now, before I go further and announce the awards, I would like to know your responses on the area of fly ash. As I introduced the fly ash conference yesterday, that this fly ash conference is going to be happening on 9th and 10th of April as a two-day residential program in a 5-star resort, which is called Country Inn in a place called Candolim, Goa. I would request the participants here to raise hands if there is an interest for you to participate, so that my team members can note your name and send you the informations if you may require. Anyway, we have shared you the informations via WhatsApp messages, but I recommend that if you could raise your hand. Divesh Dubey, thanks for raising your hand. So I would request all the participants to raise their hands to show their interest for the wonderful program which we are doing as a residential. Ajit Singh Rai, thanks for raising your hand. Mukul Ranjan, thanks for raising your hand. Alpesh B. Tadvi, thanks for raising your hands. M.R. Saravanan, thanks for raising your hand. I am noting these names so that Arvind Kumar Mishra, thanks again. Shiv Prasad Singh. We shall send you the informations immediately via email. Surendra Kumar Nayak. Manoj Basriyan. Thanks, sir. It was a wonderful presentation as well, which you gave us. Jay Prakash Verma ji from NTPC. VK Katishwar from Madhya Pradesh. This residential program is more on interest. We would be beginning the inaugural function on the first day, that is the 8th evening, when you check into the hotel after 2:30. In the evening, we shall play, some Bollywood games and also do the inaugural function. I already have a confirmation from the Secretary MOEF to participate and welcome the gathering. And we also shall have the presence of Principal Scientific Office of the Government of India to also participate at this program during the inaugural function. The day two, we have the technical sessions going on during the day. In the evening, we shall play box cricket around 5:30 for engaging people among each other, so that there is a lot of team building exercise happening. In the evening, we again have the couples to enjoy themselves in the late evening. As I mentioned, that this program is a complimentary spouse program, where every participant can bring their spouse along with them, and they will be housed with us. There's no going to be charges for their spouses whom they are bringing. Every participant shall get a double occupancy room. This is a 2-night residential program. Since I've received many hands in the race and I've noted them, I would further now request my office to bring me the envelopes for the winners of this program. Can Dalvi give me the winners? Yeah. So I have the bundle of envelopes with me, which I will start opening and announcing one by one. The first envelope which I am probably opening is for the energy efficiency plant above 500 megawatt in central sector western region. That's a subcategory which we have redefined among this category. I would request the winners to raise their hand so that I can bring them on the stage. I will request NTPC Sipat and a co-winner NTPC Korba. I will take Jay Prakash Vermaji first. I can only take one person at a time. I'm handed the mic to him. Kindly accept my request so that you can come on the stage. Welcome, Jay Prakash ji.
Thank you, Khatri Sahab. I would like to thank Mission Energy for recognizing us as a best energy efficient unit. And thank you, sir.
In this category, and also thank you so much for participating. I'll look forward for your participation in near times again. Let me call Mr. Bhupesh Kumar ji. Bhupesh Kumar ji, welcome.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your recognition and for
these
this.
Recordings are not necessary for you to record them. I will anyway send you the links of the recordings, which you can will get in about 10-15 minutes. So
Sure,
don't worry about it.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Have some about 5-10 minutes of patience. Once I complete this session, I will post the recordings in the group.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Bhupesh ji. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Shall I move again to the next category? In the same category, we have redefined this as a central sector for the northern region. The plants in India are covered in 4 different regions. So that is the reason where we have redefined the categories. Now I have NTPC Rihan and NTPC Singrauli to the winners of this category, and I will request them to raise their hands. If I don't see the winners raising their hands very quickly, I'll probably go to the next category and announce it. But these recordings which are given will be posted back. Now I have NTPC Limited Rihand and NTPC Limited Singrauli. Manojji, once again, I'm providing you the mic. On behalf of which plant would you like to receive this?
I'm representing Singrauli, NTPC Singrauli.
Singrauli. Okay, because you represent from the head office, so I think you represent all the plants together.
No, I'm from Singrauli only.
Singrauli. Okay, so I think there is nobody from Rihan. My 100% congratulations, Manojji, for you to be with us and winners of this category of awards.
Thank you, Mission Energy, for giving the awards to us. Thank you.
All the awards will be sent via speed post and they will be dispatched today. And the WhatsApp messages will be sent to the group with the tracking numbers. So these will be dispatched today and probably get booked tomorrow. So I would request everybody to only track their individual IDs from Monday onwards, not before that. Now let me go further. Let me call the state sector for the western region for the best efficient plant for coal above 500 megawatt. And yeah, I have GSECL Ukai and GSECL Wanakbori, the two major plants which are part of the Gujarat state. I request the Alpesh Tanviji is here with me.
Yes, sir.
Alpesh, I guess you are from Wanakbori, right?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. You can,
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, start your camera.
Thank you for the award, and I am really thanks to Mission Energy to conduct a wonderful program.
Thank you for your nominations and thank you for doing the wonderful
I'm
work.
collect the trophy behalf of my chief engineer and behalf of GSECL, also behalf of my MD.
Thank you so much, and thank you for doing wonderful work for the country.
Thank you, sir.
Now let me moving on to the further. Somebody raised the hand and he went away. Was he from Ukai? Okay, anyway. Yeah, Mr. Patida is here from Ukai, I think. Patadia ji, namaskar.
Just a minute, hold on, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, video is on, sir, now.
Yeah, video is on and I congratulate you for this winning this trophy from the entire Western region.
Yes. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
On
Thank
behalf
you.
of our power session and thank you from our that efficiency team, sir.
Thank you so much. I look forward for joining you on the Flash program. We probably had wonderful people last year from Gujarat state.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you very much.
Let me go back to the southeastern region now, where I would announce the winners. Oh, a wonderful plant here. This plant is called Talcher, NTPC Limited Talcher. A wonderful supercritical plant. Is anybody around from NTPC Talcher? I have announced this category to NTPC Limited Talcher and don't see anybody raising the hand. So I will probably move on to the next category. which is going to be the private sector for the eastern region. It's painful that my jury, put these envelopes and seal them. It's very difficult to open also. I have this company called Adhunik Power and Natural Resources. I saw somebody who was there sitting from Adhunik. Arun Kumar is from Adhunik, but he's probably joined from his mobile phone, so he won't be able to raise the hand. This is very unfortunate that this technology, being wonderful technology connecting people and having the opportunity of networking with each other, but probably the mobile phones is what are not compatible to raise hands and come on the stage. So I would anyway once again thanks Adhunik for joining these awards and being winner of these awards. The trophy will be sent to your place anyway. Now I have the next category which we are talking about, the private sector in the western region. Jauba Power Limited and JP Power Limited. There are two winners for this award. The JP Group and I have somebody raising the hand. Mukul Ranjan ji, I'm giving you the mic. Mukul ji from Jauba.
Jauba Power, yeah.
Very much
Power. Yeah, and I am joined by my team and my.
Oh, wonderful team there.
Yeah, I am joined by my plant head, Mr. Ashok Singh Yadav, and we are glad to receive this award from Mission Energy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It was really a wonderful session. We thanks a lot for such a wonderful program. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Team of Jauba
Power. In this, I also want to mention that our CEO, Mr. Janmejay Mahapatra, was also an active participant in this program. I think right now he is not joined. So we thank our CEO under whose guidance we have been able to perform, and we say we will perform much better next time. We will come with better prepared next time. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here, and thanks for the team. 3 cheers to all the winners. So let me take on to the next person who's raised hand, Mr. Sukhdev Singh. Jay Prakash Ventures. Sukhdev ji, welcome. You can turn off your camera. Your voice is not audible. I'll request you to stay away. Do gaj ki duri bahut zaruri. Without masks, you are there. Be with your mask. No, your voice is not coming. There is some disturbance in your audio. That's okay. You are able to hear me, and I 100% congratulate you and your team at JP Ventures to be winners from Singrauli. Thank you being winners. The trophies will be sent to you. Let me take Mr. Manohar Lal Jaiswal, who would like to say something. Manoj ji, namaskar. You on stage, Manoj ji?
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you for the award, sir.
Thank you so
Mission
much.
Energy also.
Thank you so much. So this mic is right now working.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Now let me move on to the next category. A wonderful resource in a country which is called lignite, and I have this category which is talking about the best efficient plant, the energy efficient plant under lignite. Right. Again, I would like to announce two winners for this category. One is JSW Energy Barmer, a beautiful plant there in the deserts. And also, I would like to invite GIPCL, that is Gujarat Industries Power Limited. Is anybody from JSW available? Mayank Pathak, let me send him the invite on the stage. Mayank ji. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Many congratulations, Mayank ji, for winning this award.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. And thank you very much to the Mission Energy Foundation from the JSW Energy Partners.
Thank you. Thank you for winning once again.
Thank you, sir.
Again, I have Vikas Gupta from GIPCL and Mr. Tamrana from GIPCL. They have not raised their hand, but let me send them the invite to on the stage. If they probably accept this invite of mine, they will be on the stage. Or maybe that they are away from the desk. I once again congratulate both the winners, JSW and GIPCL, and move on with my announcement to the next category, since I don't have a response from GIPCL. The next envelope, which I probably will open under the category Best Efficient Plant CCGT, the Combined Cycle Gas Plant. Should not somebody from my team open these envelopes for me and keep it?
Cannot, sir. It's secret.
Yeah. So let me call the winners. Oh, okay. NTPC Dadri and GSCL Ultran. I have Harshna joining me. Harshna is from NTPC Dadri. Can you?
Yes, sir. Am I visible, sir?
Madam.
Thank you, sir. I received this award on behalf of NTPC Dadri Gas family.
Thank you.
And I'm really thankful to Mission Energy Foundation for giving us this recognition as best energy efficient.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. The trophy will reach you soon.
Thank you, sir.
Ultran JSCCL Gujarat State Electricity Limited. Probably I don't see them. Let me move on to the next category. I have 3-4 another envelopes to be opened. Not taking much time of yours because 2 days you've been with us. The best energy efficient plant under coal for the captive categories under southern region. I have a group company who's probably done a wonderful job. I would like to invite Dalmia Cement Bharat Limited, Ariliur, Belgavi, and Dalmiapur.
நல்லா இருக்கும் சார்.
Very good, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. On behalf of our management, I will thank Mission Energy for giving this award, sir.
Thank you. I did not indifferently speak anything, but I just said, asked him how is he feeling in Tamil. Thank you so much. I should,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm on a public platform, so I should not talk in different languages. But I congratulate Maniji once again.
Yes, sir.
I have Mr. Karpagajyoti again with me. Jyoti sir, vanakkam. I'll request you to kindly turn off your camera. Yeah, turn on your camera.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, vanakkam. How are you?
Fine, sir.
I congratulate you for winning this award.
Thank you very much, sir.
And the trophy will reach you soon. Thank you so much. Let me give the hand mic to Mr. Mohan. Belgavi. Kindly turn on your mic, camera, please. We are not able to hear you, Mohan sir.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, vanakkam. How are you?
Fine, sir. Thank you very much for the award, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for doing the wonderful work for the plant and my country.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. I have Mr. CB Patel from Ultran, whom I announced them earlier, but probably they came now. Patel sir, kindly accept. I've already provided you the mic.
Okay.
Can you turn on your camera, please?
Yes, sir.
Kem cho?
Bas saru the, sir.
Congratulations, Ultran, for winning this award under the category, but probably you did not come on time.
Sir, thank you very much. Sir, thank you very much for giving us an award.
Thank you. The
GSCCL Ultran.
The whole team is here.
Sir. Yes, whole team is here, sir.
Congratulations to the entire team.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot from our GSCCL team, our MD sir, on behalf of MD sir and our chief engineer sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
So moving forward, let me take on to the next category. Under the coal CPP as an eastern region, yes, this is a plant in the aluminum sector. When I say aluminum, I'm sure people know who is he. One of the largest aluminum producer in our country, that is NALCO, National Aluminum Company Limited. Is anybody there from NALCO to hear me? The best energy efficient plant, coal, under CPP, Naik Saab. I've handed the mic to him.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all the way from Angul. We are all connected virtually.
Actually, Mr. Nayak is not there. I am head of the power plant, Saroj Kumar Mishra.
Mishra ji, namaskar.
Namaskar. Thank you so much for the award and recognizing our power plant, and also many thanks for the difficult task of opening the envelopes also.
No, that is my responsibility. I have to do it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So let me go back and move on to the next category, which is the captive coal again in the western region. Let me invite Hindalco Industries and JK Cement Limited. JK Lakshmi Cements, I'm sorry. The best efficient plant under coal CPP for the western region. Hindalco Industries, I have Prasad sir. Prasad sir, namaskar.
Namaste sir.
Can you turn on your camera and thank you so much for being with us, and it was we heard you during the days also in the technical sessions.
Yeah, thank you for your recognition, sir.
No,
it will
sir.
Definitely motivate us.
Thank you so much.
We will bring for another experience. Thank you.
That's right. That's right. And I look forward for I think there's nobody who has raised their hand from JK Lakshmi. So I'll move on, opening up the last envelope for the day, and this would be under the captive blocks. I mean the captive power plant under lignite category. Oh yes, I have this company called Geeta Power and Infrastructure. I have Mr. Saravanan, OPG.
sir.
Vanakkam Saravanan sir, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Vanakkam sir. All good. Thanks.
All good.
Yeah, thanks for your extraordinary journey for these past 2 days on this recognition for this OPG Power. I mean, I represent Geeta Power Infrastructure Limited. So OPG and etc. like a sister companies. So I'm representing for the both. Thanks for your award.
Thank you for being with us the 2 days, and I'm sure the knowledge, the platforms were knowledge enriching as much as I could see most of the participants still here at this platform. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, and it's been a good journey. Thank you.
With this, I probably close this award ceremony for this wonderful program which we organized virtually. And I thank everyone. I thank my team. I thank Anisha ji, the wonderful host who has done the wonderful work for me. And I also thank Akshay, who has been running around, getting on the experts, the panel. My team who got all the almost about 100 participants together at this program. And I look forward everybody and most of them to join us again in a future program. Next year, we shall do this program physically in New Delhi and meet each other at the hotel. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anisha ji. Good night. One thing before I go. 2 gaj ki duri bahut zaruri. Wear your mask. Stay away with people, and take care of yourself. Good night. Shabba khair. Thank you so much.
Heartiest congratulations to all the winners. Good night and see you soon.